Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels post stories in your iPhone directly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store, then tap on updates. Here we have to check the list if there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app first. Then force close all the app that running in the background and launch App Store. App Store, we have to tap on search. In the search bar, we have to search for Insta Save. Don't give any space. Now tap on search. After loading, you have a second post, Insta Save Reels Stories. I already have this application, so that's why tap open to launch the application. Now minimize, launch your Instagram and select story, post or anything that you want to download direct in your iPhone. I'm going to select this one, tap on three dots. Here you will find the link. Copy the link. Now go back to the application that we download from the App Store. In search bar, we have to paste. Now tap find. Now the Insta Save. Try to find the app that post. Now tap download Reels. Now you can see on the screen video is saved. Tap OK. Now I'm going to launch the iPhone photo app and you have the Reels in your iPhone photo app with what?
Click on AirPod.
That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.